What's up, guys? Coming at you again. This is Danny from Victory by Birthright. We've got all this gear scattered across my house because we have a show today, and we just played a couple like the other night. So everybody's gear is in my casa. Gonna show you all the stuff we use live. I'm not gonna pull out the drums, but Andy uses a Thomas Star Classic. I'm not gonna pull out my dad's Sound Gear 6-string bass, but he also uses an SWR set of Bertha series cabinets and Brain, but the Brain is out of commission, so right now he's using a PV amplifier, which sounds pretty bad too. This is my amp. This is the Fender Deluxe. It's a little beat up, it's a little road worn. I've had it for a few years. It's a good amp. My settings are pretty neutral. There's nothing really special about my settings. I really just use the clean channel, and that's about it. I've already showed you guys my pedals, and I'll show you guys again in case you haven't seen the pedals that make my rig sound so good. It's a little messy in here, but there's my pedal board, and I need to rearrange it and clean it. It's all messed up right now. What happens when you play live shows and they're high energy, you tend to step on your pedals a little bit wrong, and the Velcro glue starts to come off. But I use Mogami cables with the gold tips, and there's the board. That's the way it's going to look pretty much when it's live. My compressor, my tuner, my delay, fat booster, Thor's hammer distortion, love that pedal, my ZVEX Boxer Rock tremolo equalizer. And that's it. I do quite a bit of stomping, but because we have so many textures in our songs, you know, it's just a wide variety of tones, so I'm constantly going from clean to dirty with delays and other cool effects. Yeah, there goes my messy table. Messy table. Oh, yes. Alright, I'm going on my couch. Show you guys the main guitar for tonight. Sorry, I'm a bad cameraman as well. Alrighty. There she is. The main guitar for tonight. My Telecaster, tried and true, Donatello. And as you can see, I don't know if you can tell by the light, but he has some major road rash because I've used this guitar so much in the last 4 to 5 years. And I love her. Just love it, love it, love it, love it, love it, love this guitar. It's awesome. Anyway, that was a quick look at today. We're playing at Zeros tonight. Hope to see you there. Bye.